There are a variety of railing styles and colors to meet your individual needs. Different railing styles can be combined on the same deck. In a moment, we'll show how easy it is to install your new Century aluminum railings. This is a typical deck in which we will be installing the Century aluminum railing system. Choose and position the location for the stair or corner posts. Using a small screw or lag screw, loosely fit these posts in location. Leave enough slack in the screw to allow the post to be easily tilted in either direction. To install the bottom picket rail, be sure to evenly center the picket holes between the posts. Measure, cut, and install the rail and support leg. Install the top rail and screw in place. After setting the first picket vertical and cutting the first spacer, install the other pickets. Leave the last 4 pickets in each section loose, without installing the spacer clips. Now slide the pickets into position in the top rail and add the spacers. Then measure and cut the spacer going from the last picket to the post. To install the glass railing, lift it into the slot in the top rail, enough to clear the bottom rail, then ease the glass down into the bottom rail. Visit our website at www.centuryaluminuminc.com for more details and information.